So this is the MyFold booster seat. There's a couple different booster seats on the market nowadays. This is one of the pricier ones. You can go with your standard, $20, $30 booster seat. That's fine as well. It doesn't make a difference as long as they're all approved by Transport Canada. And you'll see this little symbol if they are. Okay, often in sticker format. In this case, it's on the material itself. This booster seat is good for a kid that's between 40 to 100 pounds and 40 to 57 inches in height. So we have our kid here who's perfect size for this. And the additional benefit of this booster seat is that it doesn't look like a kid seat or a baby seat. So you do a lot to soothe your child's ego when they can use this. It doubles in benefits by fitting into a backpack, and it's just great all around. So let's see the installation. All right, so a lot of people think that the point of a booster seat is to boost the kid up so they can see out the window or whatever. That's actually incorrect. The point of a booster seat is to position the seatbelt appropriately on the strongest points of your child's body. So the lap portion of the seatbelt is supposed to go across their lap or their hip bones. We don't want it crossing their stomach or their abdomen. And the shoulder strap of the seatbelt should cross the center of their chest, their breastbone, and go over their shoulder. We don't want it cutting into their neck, okay? So we're just gonna demonstrate here with Lincoln. I've positioned the wings of this booster seat to fit his hips. They can be adjusted as needed. So if you wanna get in there. Okay, go ahead, sit down. So he just sits on the seat there. Just gonna drape this here for now. We take the seatbelt, we weave it through the base. Can you lift your hands up? Thank you. Perfect. Clip it in. And often a kid can even do this part themselves. You just need to double check it as an adult to ensure they're doing it appropriately. So you can see here that the lap belt is across his lap. Okay, that's great. If it's across his hips, that's good too. What we don't want is to see it across his stomach. Now, if you look, I don't know if you can see, it's cutting across his neck here, which is quite uncomfortable. What we don't want to see a kid doing is weaving their arm under it and doing this positioning. This is very dangerous, both for children and adults. So we're going to take this extra strap. Often parents who have booster seats have no idea what this is for. So this is actually designed to pull the shoulder strap down to the appropriate height so that it goes across the shoulder and the chest. So this is a little bit high for him right now. So I'm going to adjust it to about shoulder height, lock it in place, clip it, and there we go. It brings the strap down to the appropriate height just behind his arm.
What do you think, Lincoln?
I think it's good.
All right. You want to undo it?